What's up everyone, Stacking Surfer here. Welcome back to your favorite stacking channel where we ride the waves of precious metals and investing opportunities. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Today we're diving into a rewarding topic, investing versus stacking. Can investing help you build your stacks faster, deeper, and stronger? Let's find out. Hit it. Stacking Surfer, the life can become your best friend. Balances in your bank and stack. All right, let's kick things off by discussing the difference between investing and stacking, with a special focus on nickel and the potential rewards of buying stocks in mining companies. Investing typically involves putting your money into financial assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation of generating returns. Stacking, on the other hand, is all about accumulating physical precious metals like silver and gold as a hedge against economic instability and inflation. Both strategies have their merits. Investing can offer higher returns if you pick the right stocks or properties, but it also comes with higher risks. Stacking is generally seen as safer, long-term store of value, but it doesn't provide the same growth potential as investing. Today we'll explore how investing in mining companies, especially those dealing with nickel, can blend elements of both strategies. Now let's talk about nickel. This base metal has become incredibly important, especially with the rise of electric vehicles or EVs. Nickel is a key component in EV batteries, making it a hot commodity. Total demand for nickel, cobalt, and lithium in the United States is expected to multiply by 23 times by the year 2035, according to S&P. This surge in demand makes a steady supply of nickel crucial for a smooth transition to electric vehicles. However, there are significant challenges. The U.S. Inflation Reduction Act is driving enormous demand for energy metals, but restricts where these metals can be sourced from free trade countries only. Currently, 75% of the world's nickel is mined in non-free trade countries like China, Indonesia, New Caledonia, the Philippines, and Russia. Even if these countries diverted all their nickel to the United States, there wouldn't be enough to meet projected demand. Moreover, expanding laterite nickel production in countries like Indonesia, New Caledonia, and the Philippines could increase global supply, but refining this nickel has a significant carbon footprint. Enter Alaska Energy Metals. The ticker symbol is AKEMF, a company that's making waves in the nickel mining industry. Alaska Energy Metals is focused on developing a significant nickel deposit in Alaska. They've recently issued an NI 43-101 resource estimate for the Nikolai Project. This is a big step forward, de-risking the project ahead of their crucial summer 2024 drilling program. The Nikolai Project is located 50 miles or 80 kilometers south of the town of Delta Junction on the southern flank of the Alaska Range. The claims are proximal to paved highways, and a network of gravel roads and trails afford ready access to the Canwell Claim block. The city of Fairbanks lies approximately 125 miles or 200 kilometers to the northwest, and the main Alaska power line and railway lies 62 miles or 100 kilometers to the west along the Denali Highway. The Nikolai Project is a sulfide nickel and battery metal project which hosts an NI 43-101 compliant mineral resource estimate with an indicated resource of 3.9 billion pounds of nickel and an inferred resource of 4.2 billion pounds of nickel. It also has exploration potential for the discovery of high-grade NiCu PGE massive sulfide mineralization. Alaska Energy Metals intends to explore, delineate, and develop a large deposit of critical and strategic metals needed to help transition to an electric energy-dominated society. Here are some key points about the Alaska Energy Metals. Number one, strategic location and leadership. The company's property is in a prime location, and they have a strong leadership team, including former U.S. Senator Mark Begich on their board of directors. Number two, exceptional acquisition. the CEO, Greg Beischer, the property and drilling data at a phenomenal price, paying just $1.4 million for assets previously valued at $30 million. Number 3, high-profile neighbors. A private company with heavyweight investors like Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson has acquired land rights next to Alaska Energy Metals, indicating strong potential for the area. Number 4, undervalued stock. Currently, the market cap for Alaska Energy Metals is only $23 million, which is significantly undervalued compared to its peers, trading between $100 million and $200 million. Number 5, upcoming catalysts. The company is actively working on expanding its resources with major shareholder value creation expected in the near future. The timing couldn't be better for taking a closer look at this company. Additionally, the company is now drilling some compelling targets that could add high-grade mineralization. And if successful, it could be a game changer. They are targeting nickel primarily, but there is potential for copper, cobalt, chromium, iron, and a variety of platinum group metals, including the more rare metals like osmium and rhodium. Did I just say platinum and other precious metals potential? I did. This is a ground floor opportunity to invest in a company that has peers that are valued up to 9 or 10 times more than Alaska Energy Metals' current market value. This could be a very rewarding opportunity for those of you looking for investment opportunities in a related field to precious metals. Investing in mining companies like Alaska Energy Metals can offer substantial rewards, but it also comes with risks. The mining industry is subject to volatile commodity prices, regulatory changes, and operational challenges. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider these risks before investing. I see these types of investments as great opportunities for those of you that have built a solid foundation in precious metals. As I often say, it's important to first build a solid foundation of wealth protection with gold and a strong foundation for bartering with silver. I do feel it's important to not risk more than you are willing to lose when investing. But sometimes, on the right stock, the risk is worth the reward. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is here to introduce you to the company and also its potential. Make sure you do your own homework and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for joining today, Stackers. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe and bell icon so that you're notified of all the latest videos that are coming out and you can stay up with the latest content. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the video. What do you think about investing in nickel and also investing in Alaska Energy Metals? I would love to hear from you whether you invest in mining stocks. Is this a mining stock that you would consider adding to your portfolio after watching this video? What's your favorite metals to stack? And how close are you to reaching your stacking goals for the year? Until next time, keep stacking, stay safe, and peace out.